Well, Jill, it is certainly nice to meet you. Have you been enjoying the weather?
The weather sucks.
Oh? I have rather enjoyed the changing of leaves this year. Well, how was your dinner so far?
Ugh, this food? This food is terrible, and what's with the waiter? He's so attentive, it's really annoying.
Well, I certainly am enjoying my shrimp.
Yes, you certainly look like you are. Do you think that you really need to eat that much? You could stand to lose a few pounds, you know?
Oh, well, I try and jog at least once a week.
And what's with that jacket?
Oh, do you like it? I just got it yesterday.
Looks like you bought it out of some cheesy catalog or something.
Well, this was great. Just fantastic. You seem like the kind of person I would love to be with day in and day out. Let's definitely do this again sometime soon.